Hello, people of the world. This evening, I'm sharing my realistic evening routine. I'd like to walk you through how I care for my coily hair. I will be using the Dyson hairdryer for the first time. I'm also going to finish off this video showing you my simple skincare routine. If you're interested in getting that glowing skin, what you do in the evening is quite important. So let's get into it. So starting off with detangling my hair, I like to keep it stretched out with the hair bubble after I detangle each part, and I've put it into two parts. I've already done the other half. Now I'm going to go in with this rosemary oil by Cantu, and that's just to really get a massage going on my scalp. If there's a key takeaway you want from this video to incorporate in your hair care routine, it's definitely a scalp massage. This is scientifically proven to boost hair growth and strengthen your hair strands. So I actually invert myself over to increase that blood circulation. Let's take a pause and vacuum clean the floor, but immediately after this I will be showing you guys all the hair care products I'm using for this routine. So guys, I am done washing my hair and now I am going to go straight into conditioning. I'm using the Function of Beauty hair conditioner. This is actually my first time using it, and I selected this shot for strengthening your hair. It comes with like different shot options that you can select and buy to use. I just love the packaging so much. If this conditioner isn't good, I'll be a bit sad because the packaging, the colors, I love it. So nice. So I am sectioning my hair here, and I am just first sort of lathering my hair in conditioner. Then I'm going to go into sections, smaller sections, and really get the conditioner worked in with a comb. Guys, I'm just detangling my hair, and I'm not going to lie to you, I normally detangle my hair with this product. So normally I detangle my hair with this Prep and Protect pre-shampoo treatment, but I thought you know, I should skip the step today. Really tangled now from the shampooing, but just like I said, I'm going to go section by section. I just want to first coat the whole hair, and then I'm going to go back in individual sections, but I just have a feeling, yeah, my hair is tangled. This is all the hair I've lost so far in the process. By the time I'm done detangling, it's going to be a lot more. I have to be very gentle. My hair is like really tangled, because normally I would have done a first detangle with the product I showed you, but you know, we're just going to roll with it. You know, just go section by section, detangle, put it away, next section. I'm just going to keep quiet and fast forward this whole process, because honestly, it's a whole process. Twist. Like losing a bit of hair, but not too much, so maybe that's good. Hair retention is all about being gentle in detangling your hair so you don't like lose your ends. To be honest, I don't mind taking my time to do my hair. It's definitely a workout. Like, I need a water break. Let me just make some progress first. I always start with the wide tooth, and then I go in with this, and then I twist. And I'm just going to do that whole process for my hair. Very boring, so I'm going to just stop the video here and come back when I am at the end. Oh my god. I just finished having my shower. My hair is in knots and it is perfectly conditioned, but I'm just going to rinse this out now. I'm done rinsing out the conditioner in my hair. I am just going to talk to you about my skincare routine. So while I was in the shower, I used the Rice to Meet You rice bran scrub foam. It's not really a scrub. The particles in this is oats, so it's extremely gentle. I would never use a scrub on my face. I can use a scrub on my body, but not on my face. So what I did was I have gone ahead to rehydrate my face because I've come out of the shower a while ago, and I've gone in with 2 layers of my toner. I'm just going to go and add 1 more layer so you guys can see how I apply my toner. So this is the kombu, which is basically kombucha, toner, and it is one of my favorites. I like to go down to my neck because anything I do to my face, I also want to do to my neck. Keep an even skin tone. So I'm just going to pat that into my skin, and I love doing this as well. Oh, my jaw actually hurts in the night because I grind my teeth. So I love, or I can go in with my face roller and just, you know, do the same. But I like to pat the toner in. So I'm just going to wait a bit, let that sink in. I like to also put on the back of my arms, on the back of my hands as well. I like to get the rest of the product. So I'm just going to wait a few minutes. We don't have music anymore. while I am waiting, I'm going to put back my jewelry on. And you guys are probably like, why do you sleep with jewelry? I don't know. I like to look good even when I'm sleeping. You never know. You never know. And you know, it's actually good to sleep in your pearls. Like the natural oil in your skin keeps the pearls like luminous and iridescent. Yeah, that's the word, iridescent. Okay, so now that I've waited a few minutes, I am going to use my serum. Usually I would use my lactic acid 5%. However, I'm going to skip that today. My skin just feels a bit sensitive, so I'm going to go straight into my Haru Haru Wonder with Centella Phyto and 5-peptide concentrate cream. I am obsessed with this. This product is a beast. Like, you think I'm hydrated right now from just my toner. Like, this product is a beast. So definitely a product to check out. Like, 2 products you should definitely check out from this video is the kombucha toner. Literally, like, even that is too much. I'm just going to like take from my cheeks to my forehead, because trust me, this is a beast. Trust me. So definitely get the Centella Phyto and 5-peptide concentrate cream, because it's really good at strengthening your skin barrier. And really, if you're not dealing with any, you know, pigmentation or anything like that, it does not harm to fortify your skin barrier. So personally, I just love. I just love anything with like ceramides, peptides. It's all just, you know, good for maintaining a strong, healthy skin barrier. And honestly, that is my joy. Okay, I'm happy. I like to take everything like down to my neck. So now that I'm happy with this, I'm going to have a quick brush and then we can go do my hair. So guys, I am obviously not a hairdresser, so no judgment. Whatever I do is just what I like to see on my own hair. And I haven't really blow dried my hair in a while, so I don't know what to expect. I got some clips as well. I need a mirror. So guys, let me tell you, I ran the longest cycle ever. I have one of those washing machines that you can't see the cycle time. It has been going on for like 3 hours. Like, I'm never doing that again. First off, what I'm going to do is for each, I am going to undo the hair. Wait, I need to be careful. Okay, yeah. I'm going to moisturize with the Curl Love Moisture Milk. Maybe I was too generous. I'll just put it somewhere else for now. Okay. So moisturize. I'm just going to moisturize both sides. I think it's enough. It's looking good. What I want to do now is change the head. I want to take the concentrator and really come in with my Denman brush and just, you know, see how straight that can go. I suspect I'm going to have to get like Dyson straightener for me to really enjoy this like heat journey I'm about to start. I have a snag, so I'm just going to, I don't know why I had a snag just now. Like, okay, anyways. Ooh. Okay, yeah, I'm just going to stick this right in there. Grab this. Guys, let me tell you, I'm not like a professional hair stylist. I'm just winging it. So I'm going to dig this like a bit deeper. I'm so silly turning off. I could just drop it on the table. Wow, what a joke. I need to go like hotter. I guess this is the best I can do. Add in some more moisture. I like my hair to be well moisturized. My curls are like reverting, but okay, don't worry. I am about a third way through and I haven't seen my hair like this in a while. I am usually curly. I don't know, it's good, but it's not a straightener, it's a blowout, you know? Okay, let's finish up. Guys, I am just on the second heat setting and this hairdryer is hot. I was so scared that it wasn't going to be hot enough for like kinky textured hair, but it's actually super hot. I'm just going to go off of the video and deal with this, and then we can come back for a conversation. Is my hair blown out? This is my final look. I feel like I am in an old Nigerian Nollywood movie, Moroccan argan oil. And although it's a heat protector, I tend not to want to put something this oily in my hair. Okay, and you know what? I need to sort out my part. So I need to give myself a very nice part to make this make sense. Yum, yum, yum. So as you can see, my hair is reverting, and that is because I am natural. I find this very funny. I haven't seen my hair like this in a while, so I'm just like staring at the mirror, and because I feel like using a hairdryer, like my hair is like a bit crisp, of which usually it's like, oh my god, I love doing that. Okay, maybe it's not perfectly dry or something. Maybe I need to go in with the hairdryer a bit more. I haven't seen my hair like this in a while. I'm so excited. I'm just coming up with something. I am going to do a pass again because I'm so shocked. Like, it's so big. For me, it's big. Let me tell you guys, oiling the tips of your hair is so important. Super, super important. I'm telling you, game changer, groundbreaking. Doing the tips, oh yeah. Okay. So this is so interesting for me, like filming this video for you guys. My hair cannot handle being straight. So I'm going to like just do a slick back bun while I brush the other side. And twist. I'm going to put a scarf over my hair. So guys, I am done. I am done. I'm so happy personally. Like, I really like this look. It's very simple, very chic. I mean, tomorrow I'll do my makeup and then I'll just do another vlog for you guys tomorrow. Why not? If you guys are enjoying my video, I will just keep making content. Bye.